Sabi ko nga, no, yung Cabral's death is actually a huge distraction, no? Kasi parang
Yeah.
people are debating, buhay pa ba, patay na ba, ganyan. In which I think dapat kung buhay or patay si Cabral, hindi yan ang problema natin ngayon eh. Kasi kung patay siya, di ba? Wala na magagawa. End of line na kay Cabral. Kung buhay siya, problema yan ni Cabral kasi at ng pamilya ni Cabral. Kasi kung talagang buhay siya at nagtatago lang siya, dude, pinaliit niya ang mundo niya. And I don't think he's going to live a good life na nagtatago forever.
And that's not something na advantageous sa kanya, no?
That is not something that advantageous sa kanya. But in both situation, Cabral is out of reach. So therefore, we would not be able to, fully unlock yung issue ng corruption sa DPWH. Kasi I'm very sure marami siyang alam that can give light to what is going on. So, ibig sabihin, yung absence niya, sige, patay siya, buhay siya, tangina, di sige, wala ka na. So, how do we figure out now kung paano natin ma-unlock yung mga information na otherwise ay sa kanya manggagaling? Diba?
Yeah.
Leviste has the Cabral files. Diba? Let's focus on that.